Hello there, DP 175 class. This is Mrs. Garman, and I'm very quickly going to go over the Runners at Heart document. And you were supposed to have submitted 3 documents. I'm going to go over how you submit 3 documents in one Dropbox, and I'll show you that in a little bit. I'm not real concerned about that because I was able to open at least one document for everybody. When I open up a file, and this is my answer key, I actually go through all these assignments myself. I do them the same week you're doing them, so if I find something, I'll let you know. But the first thing I look at is I look to see that there's the header, and in this particular one anyway, and I look to see that there's the footer. And then when I make my answer key, I do things like I highlight in red a couple of things that you were supposed to have caught with the spell checker, so I'll look for those. And there was one other one. One person only found this. You could have replaced the word sports drunk with sports drink or drinks. And there was only one person that found that. Kudos to you. And then the next thing I do is I will turn on the paragraph marker, and I go through and I look to see that you have the paragraph markers, or you've hit the returns. Every time you see one of these little paragraph markers, that's where you've hit a return key, that those were in the right place. I make sure the section break was taken out because they had to put them in, take them out, and do some different things. So I look to make sure that that was finished the way it should be. On the previous document, I look to make sure you have your watermark. And on the third document, you had to save it as a 2003 format. And the way you do that is you go to the File menu, you go down to Save As, and of course, wherever you select to save it, I'm just going to save it right here. And then down here, it'll say Save As Type. Well, you want to select, oops, not the template. You want to select the Word 97 2003 document. You can also save as a PDF file in a variety of other formats, but this particular one wanted you to save it as a 2003. So this is what you need to select. I think somebody selected an XML or something, and I can't open that. Somebody must have picked this down here. Oh, look, I see why, because it says Word 2003, but you needed this one up here. So go ahead and resave that, and you can either resubmit it or email it to me.